In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in ManyChat. We'll walk through the process from inside your ManyChat dashboard. So go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in, look down at the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that icon and a small menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, select the option called My Templates. This is where all of your reusable chatbot templates will live. Inside the My Templates area, you'll either see a button that says Create My First Template or a New Template button, depending on whether you've set one up before. Click that button to start creating a new template. ManyChat will now ask you to choose a source account. This is important because the template will pull elements from automations that exist in that specific account. Look through the list of your available ManyChat accounts. Decide which one has the flows and automations you want to turn into a template, and then click Use Account next to that one. Next, you'll be asked to select your template content. Here, the elements you can choose from are based on the automations you already have. Start by choosing the general elements you want to include. Then, you'll see an area for keywords. These are the keywords you've already added to automations on that platform. Click the small right-pointing arrow next to each group to expand it. This lets you drill down and select just the specific keywords you want to be part of this template. When you're happy with your selection, click Next Step in the top right corner. Now you'll be taken to a review screen where you can double check your template contents. For each element listed, click the small downward pointing arrow on the right side to expand it and see what's inside. This is a good moment to confirm that the right flows and keywords are included. Once everything looks correct, click Next Step again at the top right. The next screen lets you personalize your template with an avatar and a name. Click the plus icon in the avatar area and a file window from your computer will open. Choose an image that represents your template, then click Open to upload it. Type in a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize this template later. Below that, you'll see a setting to protect the template. If you toggle this on, two more options appear: Lock for editing and Remote control. Turn these on if you want to prevent others from changing the template, or if you need additional control over how it's used when shared. When you're done configuring these options, go to the top right and click Create the Template. ManyChat will save everything, and your new reusable template will now appear in the My Templates section, ready for you or your team to use in future projects.